All right. So my last Apple or website is, hopefully it works. I think it does. I'll get into the standards later. But TED Talks for kids. This is I love TED Talks. They're like my guilty pleasure, and I could watch them on hours on end. And so when I saw this and found this, I was like, oh my goodness, this is awesome. And so you could send the link to the students and they could pick their own video to watch, or you could pick like certain ones to watch with the kids. But I was like, this is a great way to engage students, give them a reason to like, oh, I can like do different things, or like encourage them. And so I just think TED Talks, you can learn so much from. I love TED Talks, like I said. But one standard that I thought it worked with was um, develop the skills needed to lead, navigate change, advance systems, and promote a mindset of continuous improvements for how technology can improve learning. And also participate regularly in online professional learning networks to collaboratively learn with and mentor other professionals. And so like that can go into professionals like as the teacher and also within as the students. So it's under standard 3.5 connected learner. And I just think that you can also incorporate this into your class because like look at a promising test for pancreatic cancer from a teenager, like just shows your students that even as a young child or like as a teenager, they're still able to make advancements in society. They're still able to like have dreams. Like, there's so much out there that they can do. And just look at this kid. He's making a huge like thing in the medical world and he's just a teenager. And just different ways that you can like incorporate learning into your classroom. And like I said, TED Talks just inspire me a whole lot. And so like if I can show a student a TED Talk, I would love that. I will like, maybe I'm going to make TED Talk Tuesdays in my classroom, but I just literally love TED Talks. And so I thought this was awesome. But these are more specific ones that are geared towards students and education. And so I thought that was kind of fun. And like this one you could watch and it engages students of why science is for everyone, like why we need to know science, why we need to like help us fall in love with science. And I think that's especially important because a lot of times students either love it or they don't. So when they're able to see why it's important, that helps them. And so let me know if this doesn't work. I'll find me another website, but I just love TED Talk. So I got super excited when I saw this.